Do you know what will have the most impact on climate change this year? The clothes you will buy or the flight you will take? It's the clothes. If nothing is done, by 2050, the fashion industry will be responsible for 1/4 of the global emission. The same impact as the most polluting country today, China. Fashion brands have committed to be carbon neutral by then. But how will they succeed without a solution? They need a new approach to creating fabrics. That's where Fairbrics come in. We are making sustainable fabric out of thin air. We have developed a breakthrough chemical process to manufacture polyester yarns from CO2. Polyester is the most used material in the industry. It represents over half of the market. Today, it's made out of plastic, coming from petroleum. Its manufacturing is responsible for 70% of the emission of the whole industry. Instead of emitting CO2, our solution is using it as a building block to create new fabric. It's cost competitive, and the resulting product is identical to the product used today. This technology is based on the works of my co-founder, Taufik. For the last 5 years, he has developed new catalysts and new processes to convert harmful gases, such as CO2, into high-value chemicals. As for myself, Benoit, I've taken multiple projects from the lab to large-scale industrial success. At Global Manufacturing Corporation, I manage budget worth millions of dollars a year across Europe and the US. We have now teamed up with the leading scientists in this field for the last 20 years, Marc Robert and Gerard Parkins, who are both professors of chemistry at University of Paris and Columbia University. In the last 6 months, we have already proven our method by creating the key chemical components for polyester manufacturing, and we are building a patent portfolio. We are setting up state-of-the-art research lab, and we've got a team of 3 doctors in chemistry ready to join in. Next year, we will produce our first T-shirt, and we are setting 3 POCs with leading retail brands with a potential revenue of more than $300 million. Our total addressable market for the fashion industry only is worth $60 billion and is growing at a rate of 7% per year. Moreover, there are dozens of industries we can tackle the same way. We are changing the way clothing is made, and we are making possible what was a dream yesterday, making sustainable fabrics out of thin air. Thank you.